from section 2 of module 3. We're looking at factoring the sum and difference cubes, so you can look at those notes, those kind of key concepts of section 2 in your notes. And so when I factor this, I'm looking for either a sum of cubes or a difference of cubes. And so here, since that has a 3 right there, it's probably a difference of cubes. So I can rewrite this 8 as 2 cubed, and of course x is being cubed. So that means that 2 and x are both being cubed. And then this one, 125, I can rewrite that as 5 cubed, and y to the 12th, well, that's y to the 4th, and that is cubed, because when we raise powers to powers, we multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. So it's addition, so it's a sum of cubes. And so 5 is being cubed, and so is y to the 4th is also being cubed. So then I can go ahead and expand this using my notes, and I get x plus 2x plus 5y to the 4th, and then my first term, 2x, and that's going to be squared, and then minus 2x 5y to the 4th, and then plus 5y to the 4th squared. And then I can simplify that and rewrite that as 2x plus 5y to the 4th, and then 2x squared would be a 4x squared, minus 2x times 5y to the 4th is just a negative 10xy to the 4th, and 5y to the 4th squared would be a positive 25y to the 8th. And so that's how you expand that different or sum of 2 cubes. Okay, so you can try these other two, but we're looking for probably cubes. All right, so this is a cubed, and this is x squared raised to the 3rd. But 10 is not a perfect cube, right? And 27 is, that'd be 3 cubed, but 10 is not, right? So this is, and I can't factor anything else. If you look at this second one, b there, and you look at 54 and 128, those are both not perfect cubes. But we could simplify them if we divide by 2. And x to the 5th is not, as well as not a cube either. And so maybe we can get it down. If we factor out a 2 out of these two, we would get 27, and 27 is a perfect cube. And then 128 divided by 2 is negative 1, or negative 64. That's a perfect cube. So then what we can do is also we have an x in both of these, so we could factor out an x squared. So factor out an x squared, that'll only leave x cubed left, and no x's there. And so now we can see we have cubes here. So think about what times itself 3 times is 27, what times itself 3 times x cubed, what times itself 3 times is a 64, and what times itself 3 times is y cubed. So go ahead and do that one. C you can't do, because 10 is not a perfect cube, and I can't factor anything else like I factored this 2x out. So basically this 2x will go on the outside of your multiplication there of your product like that. Okay, so see if you can do that one on your own.